we also give you an opportunity to really take your ownership of your role as, we believe, a co-investigator, a researcher, working with us to get, and our motto is research with patients, not on patients. So we empower you with tools as a researcher yourself and as somebody who can contribute to learning and has a lot more to say and a lot more insight from your own lived experience. And then we're really excited about the latest feature of our app, which is, we call it Connect, and really it's a series of laboratories. And a lab for us, it's not like the lab test that you had done on the blood that you gave last week. A lab is a laboratory, and it's a group of people. And there's two kinds of labs in our app. There's researcher labs, and that's how you can follow the samples that you and your sisterhood and your group of other patients like you or your friends and loved ones can follow what your samples are up to by receiving updates from the researchers directly, not just any researchers, any research that might be of interest, but the ones who specifically took the samples that you gave into their lab or that your friends and family gave into the lab, and you could follow that research there. And then the part that we're really excited about the future potential of is the patient-led lab. And it's this idea that patients have samples, the vast majority of them that we've collected have not yet been used. And we want to connect you and your samples and your sisters to each other who also have their own samples to enable you to push for the research that needs done for curing your own conditions and for answering your unanswered questions and doing that together. Our hope is that the patient labs will be a place where researchers will want to come to find patients with their samples who have unmet needs and research that they themselves want to take on in partnership with you. So that's what DBUY app can do today, and we hope it's a small first step. The first step is you don't benefit from research if you don't know if you have samples at all, or if you have them, if they've been used.